Hello everyone, I am Surendra Jain, Master Teacher in Vedantu. We are discussing paper of JEE Advanced 2021. This is question number 15 from paper 2. This is actually paragraph type question. So in the paragraph they have given four functions psi1, psi2, f and g, all from closed bracket 0 comma infinity to r. Be such that f0 and g0 are 0, and then they have given psi1, psi2, f and g. In the question number 15, first option is f of root ln 3 plus g of root ln 3 equal to 1 upon 3 or not. Now to see this part, let us write first f of x function, which is given as minus x to x mod t minus t square e power minus t square. Because this is even function, I can write this as 2 times 0 to x t minus t square into e power minus t square dt. Okay, x is positive, so mod t can be written as t only. Similarly, gx is given as 0 to x square under root 2 e power minus t dt. Now if I write t as u square, you can see this will become 0 to x to u square e power minus u square du. And then if we add fx and gx, okay, you can see this 2t square e power minus t square and 2u square e power minus u square will get cancelled, because we have a property in definite integration. We can change the variable with keeping limits same, so it will not make any change. So this term 2u e power minus u square and 2t square e power minus t square will get cancelled, and we will be having now 0 to x 2t e power minus t square dt. Its integration is e power minus t square and minus sign outside also 0 to x. If we put the limit, we get 1 minus e power minus x square. So if we put x is equal to under root of ln 3, the answer here would be 1 minus 1 upon 3, that is equal to 2 upon 3. So this A option is wrong. Now coming to B option. Here for x greater than 1, there exists alpha belongs to 1 comma x such that psi1 x is equal to 1 plus alpha x. Let us take one function phi x to be psi1 x minus 1 minus alpha x. Okay, where psi1 x is e power minus x plus x. Now if I put x is equal to 1 here, we can write psi1 x as e power minus 1 plus 1 minus alpha, and that will be negative because alpha is greater than 1 and e power minus 1 is less than 1, so that will be negative. Now one important thing, because this phi 1 is negative and phi x is continuous function, so whatever path this phi x function goes, it cannot become equal to immediately after x is equal to 1. We can always find some values of x greater than 1 for which phi x will still be negative only. Okay, for some x greater than 1 we can find, and between this x to 1 this phi x can be negative only, so it may not be equal to 0. So that means for every x greater than 1, saying that psi1 x will be equal to 1 plus alpha x is wrong. So this option is also wrong here. Okay, now coming to C part. C part says for every x greater than 0, there exists beta belongs to 0 to x such that psi2 x is equal to 2x into psi1 beta minus 1. Now to do this, I will apply LMVT on 0 comma x for the function psi2x. You can see psi2 dash x is equal to 2 common x plus e power minus x minus 1, which is 2 times psi1 x minus 1. So if we apply LMVT, there exists some beta between 0 to x for which psi2 x minus psi2 0 upon x will be equal to 2 times psi1 beta minus 1. Okay, because psi2 is equal to 0, we can check it here. So we can now write psi2 x is equal to 2x into psi1 beta minus 1. So this C option seems to be correct. Now coming to D option, because this fx function is 2 times 0 to x t minus t square e power minus t square dt. Okay, so this f dash x will be here 2 times x minus x square into e power minus x square. So if we use wavy curve method, its roots are 0 and 1 only, because leading coefficient is negative. So here it will be positive, here it will be negative, negative. So this is increasing from 0 to 1. So saying increasing from 0 to 3 by 2, because 3 by 2 will be lying here, this is also wrong. So the correct answer for this question is C only. Okay, so this completes the solution for this question number 15. Thank you so much.